Baby, tell me if you like it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Takisha and today I'm coming to you with another foundation swatch video because it is just hard for me to find a foundation. Like, it's just hard for me to find a foundation that suits me and matches me the way that I would like it to match me. I have like very neutral olivey undertones and it's just hard and it's a struggle. But if you're my skin tone or around the same skin tone or same undertone as me, hopefully this video will help you out because y'all, I'm trying. So today I'm going to be trying to find my shade in the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundations because I am an oily girl, and if you're an oily girl like me, you've heard about this foundation and you know how many people love this shit. This is Jackie Aina's favorite foundation, I believe, and if she loves this, then I know I'm going to because we're oily. So I actually have 3 shades to show you guys. I have these 2 full-size ones and this sample that I picked up. I don't know why I got 2 full-size ones when I should have just gotten all samples, but oh well. And the 3 shades that I picked up were the 5C1, which is a deep cooler shade. I picked up 5N2, which is a deep neutral-ish shade, and I picked up 6W1, which is a deeper, warmer shade. So just to get a better idea of how these colors differ from each other, this one is the 5C1, this one is the 5N2, and this one is the 6W1. So obviously the 6W1 is definitely darker than the other 2. 5N2 looks a little warmer, and the 5C1 looks like it has a little more pink in it, which makes sense because it is a cooler toned foundation. So first what I'm going to do is try out the 5C1 up against the 5N2, mainly because I feel like it looks like the 6W1 may be too dark for me anyways. So I'm going to try these 2 out together. Whichever one I know or whichever one I feel isn't up to par or isn't cutting it for sure, I will wipe that side off my face and then I will put up the 6W1. We'll see if it works. If it don't work, I mean, I guess I'm not too surprised just because it is darker than the others. But if it does work, then I guess I got my foundation shade. So let's get started. 5C1 this side, 5N2 this side. And I'm going to try these without a primer just because it's too much work to having to reapply a freaking primer every single time I wipe something off. So I'm not going to do that. So this is the 5C1 and it doesn't look too bad. How does it look on camera? On camera it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad compared to my face bare. Okay, not too bad. Let's see how the other one looks. I feel like if the other one is an even closer match, then I might not even have to bother to swatch the 6W2. Who knows? So now I'm going to do 5N2 on this side. So now I have both foundations on. I have the 5C1 on this side and I have the 5N2 on this side. And let me just come closer so you guys maybe can see better. Or maybe further so you can see the contrast of my neck. I feel like this side right here, it kind of matches better than this side. But I also do feel like this color on me is not the most flattering out of the 2. I feel like me wearing this, like my skin looks a little more dull on this side. It looks slightly gray. slightly gray, even though it kind of does match with my skin, but because I'm neutral, I don't only have like reddish undertones. Sometimes the yellow undertones peek in, so this, I feel like I look more duller. I feel like on this side it's a little bit, it's more vibrant, it's warmer, so it doesn't like washing out. It just looks more ugh, you know what I mean, compared to and I do feel like I also have to put in consideration that I'm going to be highlighting my face and baking it and stuff like that, and those things can make those areas look a little more toned down. I feel like it will balance itself out better. That's what I'm trying to say. It'll balance itself out better on this side, I feel like, compared to this side. You guys let me know down in the comments which you prefer. 5C1, 5N2, 5C1, 5N2. I'm honestly thinking this one will work out better in the end. To be honest, the 5N2 is the winner. So I already decided that I'm not even gonna bother with the 6W1 because it makes no sense. Honestly, it's gonna just get darker from here and it's not gonna work. So these are the two you're gonna see, because I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm not. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed what you saw, please thumbs up this video. It helps me out a lot. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so whenever I post, you guys are the first ones to know. And it's all good in the hood, and it's all peachy clean, all fine. You know, you want to be the first one to know when I post a video. So hope you all have a blessed day, and I will see you in my next one.